We manufacture a product that will monitor what you're doing with your trigger press, give you feedback on what you're doing wrong, and then we can tell you how to fix it. We also have a product that will reset the trigger in an AR-15 style rifle, and we are making other versions. So coming soon, we've got the MP5, we've got the Bren 2, we've got SCAR Light and Heavy, AK-47 and 74, and AR-10. So several other models coming very soon. This is our second time to Eurosatory, and it's been good. We've made some good contacts and had some good conversations, so we'll see where it goes. We do some collaborations because our software can be integrated into other people's software, so we can be used with simulator systems, or if a person has perhaps a smart optic, we could integrate our data that tracks motion and give people feedback on what they're doing that their data is not providing. These are in production and ready for sale.